and girls. We're back for the 4th week. Check out Santa's new sleigh. This is the big one. We got gifts from every brand. We got... That was a close one, boys and girls. The Grinch was trying to ruin the 4th giveaway, but not so fast. We're right back where we need to be. Santa's in his sleigh, so here we go. You got 4 big gifts from all 4 brands in the Warren Group. First, you got any Toyota product from Fab Fours. That's Tundra, Tacoma, Land Cruiser, or 4Runner. Fabtech's going to be giving you a 3-inch lift kit for any GM 1500. And from Factor 55, you have the Sawtooth recovery bag. Gotta love that. They make some great stuff. And the big one, the Warren XD12S. That's right, the new Winch from Warren, the XD12S. 4 great prizes. Get those entries in. Stay tuned to all of our social media. Go to fabfours.com to enter, and remember, that's December 15th through December 22nd, and we'll see you on the 22nd. Merry